Effect segment. Learn how to edit video segments without regenerating the entire clip. The Effect segment tool lets us edit specific details in a video directly inside the panel, so we don't have to regenerate the entire clip from scratch. First, we need to edit the keyframes. These keyframes will be used by the editor as references for the changes we want to make. Select the area you want to modify, mark it with a mask, and write a prompt describing the change. Once the keyframe is ready, select the video segment you want to edit. In this example, we'll select the entire video. Open Effect segment, choose a model, Kling usually gives the best results, and enter the prompt. That's it! The edited segment is generated and overlaid on top of the original video, updating only the details you wanted to change while leaving the rest of the clip untouched. In this tutorial, you learned how to edit keyframes as references, mark the area to modify, generate the updated segment, apply changes without regenerating the full video.
PixieLabs, designed for creators, built for production.